Alright guys, Tony Hayes here and I'm with Josh Rata, who's got a fantastic product called Vidello, which is a video hosting product, and it's being launched next week. Now Josh, this whole video hosting thing, I've been looking at Wistia, and the only reason I haven't used Wistia in the past is because I looked at the price point and I thought, why do I need that? Why do I need that extra sort of price point? So maybe you can talk us through how Vidello came about, and talk about the advantages maybe of the video hosting as opposed to using YouTube.
Yeah, man, that's cool. Yeah, I myself, like, I like Wistia. I've been using Wistia for probably, I don't know, a year or more already. But yeah, as you said, the problem is it's really expensive. Like, they have a great platform, but like for most people, you don't want to pay $99 a month or $299 a month, you know, to use a video hosting platform. So yeah, so basically with us, like we thought, you know, we want to create a platform that is like more powerful in terms of the features and the marketing kind of side of things than most of the mainstream kind of apps, because like Vimeo and like Wistia, they're all like kind of the business oriented kind of hosting platforms, but they don't really have that many good marketing applications. And so we wanted to create something that was really cost effective, that could compare to kind of Vimeo, but then also have that premium feel of a Wistia type platform. So that's how we kind of came up with the idea.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, yeah, that's how we kind of came up with it.
All right. So I know that a lot of guys, I mean, I've got quite a big video interest within my subscribers. And I know that, you know, a lot of people are going to be thinking, well, why do I need video hosting as opposed to YouTube? And, you know, for the marketing elements, I can put plugins on my website that can do those marketing elements. What would you say to those people?
Yeah, man. I mean, here's the thing. Like with if you got sales funnels, you're running sales funnels, or if you got membership sites, you can't really use. I mean, on membership sites specifically, you can't really use YouTube videos as hosting, because when people come on your site, they can click on the YouTube video logo, and then they can go back to YouTube and watch it on YouTube. So kind of, if people are charging, you know, money for YouTube hosted videos, people feel kind of ripped off, you know, that they could just watch it for free on YouTube. And with your sales funnel, so for your landing page or for your upsell pages, if you've got YouTube hosted videos, often people click on the YouTube logo and they get sent back to the YouTube website. And when they get sent back to the YouTube website, often people get distracted by the entertainment on YouTube. You know, YouTube's like a social networking platform, and it's like an entertainment kind of land, you know. So you'll see thumbnails of different types of videos, and people will just click away on that, and then you've lost their undivided attention. So let's say, for example, you set up a sales page, you upload your videos to YouTube, and then you add the sales video onto your sales page. Then you like maybe spend $1,000, for example, on traffic from Facebook. If, let's say, just for example, 5% of the people that land on your website click on the YouTube logo and they get sent back to YouTube, and they kind of get distracted from your message, like that's like $50 that you're wasting, you know. So when you have premium hosting, everything's like, I mean, people can't click away from and get distracted from your website. So that's one of the main reasons. Another reason is like with just YouTube or Vimeo or Wistia, you don't really have the option to split test and see if your videos, how your video is performing, one video compared to the other one. So with Vidello, we've created a split testing, A/B split test feature where you can, you know, choose two different videos, and then it will generate an embedded code that you can add onto your website, and it will basically circulate the video, and you'll be able to compare the stats to see which video is working better, you know, for the audience that you're trying to sell your products to.
Okay.
So that if that can, like, you know, if that can help you to like get a, let's say, for example, 10-20% increase in sales, it's definitely worth having, you know. Because most people just have one sales video and just think that's going to work, but they don't. They need to compare it between another sales video to see, you know, if you can actually increase your sales, or how you know what I mean. It's kind of from that kind of point of view.
There was an interesting discussion in the video product creators JB group, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think it was it Ryan Phillips or Ben? I can't remember. Ben Murray, it could have been, or Ryan. And he was saying that he made one simple change on his video, and I think he increased conversions by about 26% just by doing that one simple tweak. And the only difference was he took away the controls on the actual video, and that increased the conversions by about 26%. Maybe we could talk about the sort of features we got in here. Do you have sort of those kind of features where you can remove the controls so that people kind of forced to watch the video. They can't sort of.
Yeah, man. Let me. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll just go into the editor and I'll show you kind of things that you can do with it. So it's a really nice kind of editor. You can see like here's just a video. You can see the design of the player. So you got different options. You can change like the color, all these kind of things, make it how you want. You can upload a splash screen if you want a splash screen image here, and then you got all these controls. So as you said, you can like remove like different types of elements. You can remove all the elements on the player. You can upload a logo. You can add your link. Say for example, for my website, like, and if you had a YouTube logo down here, it would send people back to YouTube. But you can now you can brand your own video player with your logo, and then have a link to your checkout page, for example. So when they click on that, go to the checkout page. Or even like for example, on your bonus pages, if you're running affiliate offers and you've got bonus pages, you can have a logo here, and then you can have a link, your affiliate link basically here. So when someone clicks on that, they'll be sent to the sales page, and you've cookied them in, to earn some commissions. So I was speaking to Sam Becker about this, because he was saying that like with YouTube videos, a lot of people just click on that and they go back to YouTube and they scroll through. And I was thinking, this is what I do normally. If there's a YouTube video, I normally like to see it on YouTube, kind of go through it. So you got those kind of options. Now we've got some really cool things like, for example, lower third animations. So if you got like an on-screen kind of, video, you can go through and let's say, for example, this. Vidello. And you can change up the colors and things like that over here, like that. And yeah, you got different types of settings. You can change everything basically.
Nice how you platform. It looks simple but really, really nice because of its simplicity. It's very easy to. It's a good design for users. It looks very, 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 very cool. With this front-end offer, I know it's going to be a monthly offer, and it has to be because you've got to cover the cost of hosting these people's videos, and that I've got myself into that kind of thing previously before, and the cost do rise. So guys, if you're thinking why should I pay monthly, you're going to get a lot of value from using a tool like this compared to Wistia, which is kind of similar because it's a video hosting platform, but you've got much more marketing elements as well in here. Josh, maybe we can talk about the offers that you got with the upsells as well, just briefly.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so yes, monthly on the front end, as you said, because we got costs that we need to pay for the hosting. It's not free for us to do that. So yes, we've got really, really good pricing. So for example, for the Wistia plan that's compared to our standard plan, Wistia charges like $99 a month for 200 gigabytes, and we're charging about $21.60 during the launch for the first day or so. It will be $27 a month, but you can see there's a massive you're saving at least $70 from Wistia, and that kind of plan compared to the Vimeo plan. I think Vimeo charges about $18 a month, but you only get 80 gigabytes a month. So with that one, it's about $3 something extra, but you get 120 more gigabytes than Vimeo, So, and plus you get all these marketing features and everything like that. So it's way more cost effective than both these platforms.
Yes, especially as well when you got those. It's a tool made by a marketer for marketers. That essentially you got all those nice elements there that you can use. Yeah,
definitely. So and then for the upsells, we've got the first one's audio platform called Audio Storm. It's basically an all-in-one kind of audio system where they can create their voiceover narrations and store their voiceover narrations inside the software. It also comes with 100 premium audio backing tracks that we got a sound artist to create. And usually, if you want to buy audio tracks for your videos, it costs about $19 to $39 from Audio Jungle and things like that. And you're limited with what you can actually do with the licenses. So you're getting 100 awesome tracks that you keep using, and with unlimited licenses. And you can also upload and store your own audio tracks inside this system. So all your audio related tracks for your marketing videos can be stored in this one simple dashboard. The next upsell is it's called Lead Magnetic. It's basically a massive bundle of awesome WordPress plugins, web apps, membership training sites, and ebooks and things like that, and different resources that we created ourselves. So they're not just some random PLR, but it's actually really high quality stuff that we've made available for white label rights for those who want to get access to that. And it's going to Yeah, I mean, if for example, if you need lead magnets to like generate leads on your email sign-up forms, or you need bonuses to add to your affiliate offers, things like that, like you can use these awesome like resources to do that. So it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, instead of having to make it all yourself. So
how much is that upsell?
That one's going to be, it's limited to 500 people for $97, which is really crazy kind of price. And then we're going to be doubling the price to $197. And after the launch, we're going to be taking it off the market. So yeah, it's kind of a limited offer for that one.
That's actually very, 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 very good. Guys, if any of you guys have got the new social traffic jacker, or Traffic Infinity as the app is actually called, this is great for you to be able to build email lists, with quality products that you can white label. And I know that Josh does only really, really high quality products. I mean, that's a crazy, crazy price, $97 to get a hold of that. Yeah, that's how many products in that package, Josh?
I think there's like 3 like high quality like WordPress plugins. Mm-hmm. We've got 10 like ebooks. Just what else? 2 membership training sites with like all the content, the video content. There's just a whole bunch of really good stuff. Like when they get to this upsell page, it's a really good offer. So I'm sure.
Yeah. Love it. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I mean, what would you say to people that are looking at this product for the first time? They've got those sort of initial objections about paying monthly and stuff. What would you say to them the main advantage of taking up this Vidello offer during the launch?
Mainly like obviously the pricing is really, really cost effective. Like if they're looking, if anyone's trying to, if you want a membership site, if you're looking at like building your own membership sites, or you're serious about making sales online, making money online with your sales funnel, it's really important that you have a good hosting platform. And YouTube, as I said, it can divert traffic, and it's not your YouTube account could be banned, for example, and then your videos get shut down. So it's important you have a really good hosting platform. And Vidello during the launch is going to be really, really cheap, for example, compared to like Wistia, and about the same kind of pricing with Vimeo on some of the plans. So yeah, I mean, it's just going to be, it's not going to cost you much, and also like having like high quality hosting and having these application things on your videos will actually help you to make more sales, and being able to split test and see what your video is doing. It's going to help increase your sales, and so it's a really, really cheap price to do that.
Yeah, I agree. I signed up. You gave me that sort of link where I could go and get the review access, but I signed up and I thought, I'm going to keep this because it's fantastic to have. I've got a problem where whenever I do some, courses, or whenever I've got launches and stuff coming up, all my videos are on YouTube, and you picked up on a really important point there where, people might feel that they didn't get value just because that video is on YouTube, when they'd probably feel, that they could have probably found it on YouTube for free anyway. So this is fantastic for people who are making products and stuff like that, or if you've got clients where you just want to add that little bit extra value and make it look a little bit more professional. Fantastic tool, mate. I hope this does really, really well for you. And I love the simplicity of it as well with these marketing elements. It's great you've got the countdowns and stuff in there as well. What other marketing elements is in there?
So we've got the application. We've got lower tier animations are kind of like a post kind of production thing you can add on to make it look more professional. We've got call to action buttons, email sign-up forms, text links, discount coupons, animated note boxes, which are pretty cool. Especially like, for example, you create a video on camera and then you forget to say something.
Yeah.
Instead of having to re-record the video, you can just add a little note box with some information, for what you've got to say. They're pretty cool. Like this one, for example, you have like a little picture of yourself and just, I forgot to say something,
Yeah.
And then also got like social sharing elements. This is called image. It's basically you can create custom call to action, so you can add your own image, like it could be a banner image, or it could be even a lower third graphic you want, and you can add an animation onto it. You've got different types of animations you can select, and you can also add a custom URL here as well, so that when people click on it, they can be sent to a certain place.
That's very cool.
So I created one over here like that, so that could just kind of animate on, and you can have a link on it. So those kind of things, they're great for like bonus pages. You can think of different ways. Also, we've got like e-commerce slides, so we're adding in more of these, and we've got a whole bunch of more apps that we're going to be adding in, like full screen ones, And yeah, I mean, the good thing about this platform is that because it's obviously it's a monthly cost, it enables us to kind of to spend more time and actually like make it our main focus. Like when you launch a product and you're only charging a one-time fee, after a certain amount of time, like you run out of income coming in from that product, so it makes it hard for you to kind of invest time into actually making it better, you know?
Yeah.
So that's kind of our main reason that we want to create something really amazing and just keep building it month after month. So yeah, your customer's going to be good hands because we're going to keep adding in extra features, and we're going to get like a lot of feedback from our new customers and see what they want, how we can make it better, you know?
Yeah. And to add this to, say, for example, WordPress, is there a plugin, or they just use the embed code, or how does that work?
The embed code? I mean, just a simple kind of embed code like that.
Is there a plugin, or are we just using the embed code? It's just simple embed code. They don't need an extra plugin to add to the WordPress site, so you can just take the embed code and put it into the post itself, yeah?
Yeah, I think it depends on what kind of like platform. Like if you've got like a page builder, I'm pretty sure you just copy and paste it into the page building video element, like Optimize Press or whatever one you're using. I think if you want to do it into like just a normal kind of page in WordPress, I think you can download it like a plugin in the WordPress kind of editor to add it in there. I need to check up. I haven't really done that. Normally I use Igloo for my web page building, or Optimize Press is a good one as well. So yeah, that's how I normally do it, and it's fine.
Okay. Well, it looks really, really good. Josh, thanks very much for coming in to chat with me, and I hope you do really, really well on this launch. I can see you've got the sort of responsive designs there as well for different sort of mobile and tablet and stuff like that, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, nice little frame, makes it look nice.
Yeah, that's kind of important because something that often gets overlooked, especially with video as well, because a lot of people are now using mobile more than desktop to be able to access. And it's sort of, I think it's just taken over, and I think it's probably got the highest percentage of uses coming from mobile now, so it's, it's good to have that in there. Mate, thanks very much for coming in. I'll let you go now. I know that you've got a lot to do. You've got your launch coming up, and I hope it does very, very well for you, and I hope I can drive a lot of traffic and conversions and get people in using this, because it's a fantastic tool. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much, man. See you again.
All right, Josh, thanks very much, mate. I'll get this edited and I'll get it onto the blog hopefully tonight, and we can start creating a buzz around it. Fantastic tool, mate. I really do hope it does very well for you.
Yeah, thanks so much, man. If you need anything, I was a little bit delayed with the bonus page. I just need to finish it off. I kind of started it, but I got caught up creating some videos. So
no problem, no problem. I actually don't use the bonus pages. I build a blog post. I was just really looking for the graphics and just some snippets of text and stuff from it. That's all I'm going to do. So,
I can show you the sales page design. I mean, it's not finished. Like the copy is probably not that good at the moment, but I can show you the sales page preview so you can kind of get some stuff off there. Yeah,
that would be handy. Just for it doesn't have to be perfect. I will reword it anyway. But anything you've got that can help me to put this together, then I can put it down. Start getting interest over the weekend when I start to put the blog post together to begin with.
Okay, awesome, man. Yeah. Okay, I'll send it through now to you.
Okay.
Cool, man. Thanks so much for your support. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem, mate. Cheers. Thanks.
See ya.
Bye.